In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Calendar directly within Gmail. By the end, you'll be able to check your schedule, create events from emails, and manage your calendar without switching tabs, keeping everything streamlined and in one place. Start by opening your Gmail account in a web browser. On the right-hand side of your inbox, you'll see a vertical sidebar with several icons. Look for the blue icon labeled Calendar. Click it, and a calendar panel will slide open beside your inbox. This is your Google Calendar, fully accessible alongside your emails. You can move through your schedule using the arrows at the top to go forward or back, or click on specific dates to jump to the day you need. This side-by-side view is great for quickly checking availability while reading or composing messages, without leaving Gmail. Now, let's turn emails into events. When you have an email about an appointment or meeting, use the options available right in the email interface. Click the More Options button, or select the calendar icon you'll see near the top of the email tools. Choose the option to create a Google Calendar event. Gmail will automatically pre-fill the event with details it finds, such as the subject line as the title, and any recognized dates or times. Review the information and make adjustments as needed. You can add a detailed description or agenda, insert a Google Meet video conference link, and invite attendees by entering their email addresses. Once everything looks good, save the event, and it will appear in your calendar immediately. From the calendar sidebar itself, you can manage your schedule in a few different views. Switch between daily, weekly, and monthly layouts to see the level of detail you need. You can create new events directly from this panel, edit existing ones to update titles, times, or descriptions, or delete events you no longer need. If you use color coding to organize your commitments, you can apply colors here to keep work, personal, and other categories visually distinct. Reminders and notifications can also be managed within this interface, helping you stay on track with timely alerts before meetings or deadlines. That's all you need to work smarter inside Gmail. Keep the calendar panel open while you process your inbox, convert important emails into events with a couple of clicks, and manage your schedule without breaking your flow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more organized Gmail experience with your calendar always at your fingertips.